To draw a vertical fill, select the vertical fill object from the drawing menu. Set the insert point with the first click, and by moving in different directions we can define its length and direction. A further click obviously sets the end point. Now, because the command is still active, we can continue with the positioning of other fill objects too. While tracing the fill with the F5 and F6 function keys, we can define a different alignment axis, whereas its length can be defined freely or by keyboard value input. To draw curved filling segments, again in the very same manner, simply select the object from the drawing menu. A first click again defines the insert point. We can then change the alignment with F5 and F6 function keys, and moving towards the desired direction, finally set the endpoint with a second click. The curvature section of the fill is now linked to the mouse cursor, and with the necessary adjustments we can define the correct curvature and the length. In the Properties pane, as already seen before, we can modify the geometric characteristics and define the height reference system.